Yeah, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to be introducing another topic in business law, which is the law of agency. So we shall start by looking at the law applicable in the law of agency. We have the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda 1995 as amended. We have the Contracts Act Chapter 284. We have the Companies Act Chapter 106. We have the Common Law and Equity, and then we have Case Law. So we shall start by defining agency. What does agency mean? So agency comes from the word agent. So agency is a legal relationship whereby one person, who is called the agent, acts on behalf of the other, who is called the principal. So the agent is acting on behalf of the principal with the instructions from the principal. So the agent's actions are legally considered to be the actions of the principal, since the agent is acting on behalf of the principal. So the agent is somehow like a third party. They act on behalf of some other person. Therefore, if any liabilities are raised from the agent's action, the principal will be held liable, since the agent acts on behalf of the principal. So here in the agency relationship, we have two parties, which is the principal, who is like the boss, and then we have the agent who works on behalf of the principal. So an agent is employed to act on behalf of the principal, often in business settings, and typically operates under the laws governing contracts. And an agency is an exception to the privity of contract rule. The privity of contract rule, it says that only parties directly involved in the contract can sue or be sued in case of anything. Yeah, but then the agency is an exception to that rule. So this one means that if the principal is not directly involved in the contract, they can still be held accountable for it. This reflects the principle of he who acts through another acts himself. So in agency, the agent acts on behalf of the principal. So in case the agent is involved in something, it means that even the principal is involved in that thing. So in case they borrow money, it is believed that they're borrowing money on behalf of the principal, so the principal will be liable to pay back that money. Yeah, so agency is an exception to the privity of contract, and then it means that he who acts through another person acts himself. Yeah, so what is the purpose of agency? Agency is often necessary in business transactions where individuals or organizations are unable to perform certain tasks personally. So it's the reason as to why you see banks have agents. So in case you use an agent of Absa Bank and anything goes wrong, you will obviously blame Absa Bank, because those agents are acting on behalf of Absa Bank. So he who acts through another person acts himself. So agency is necessary where individuals or organizations are unable to perform some tasks personally. Like the bank can't have a branch everywhere in every corner, so they decide to engage those agents so that they can be able to do some activities or some transactions in some locations where they can't reach. So through agents, principals delegate authority to make contracts on their behalf. Generally, anyone can act through an agent unless personal performance is required by law, like unless they don't allow you to act through an agent and they require your personal performance, or a contract specifically prohibits delegation of work. Yes, so that is our introduction about agency. Thanks for watching. We shall be continuing in the next video.